Check out this Toyota 2008 Tundra 2WD truck SR5. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM audio with 6 CD changer, AM/FM radio, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.